Good morning student. In previous videos we learned about the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. In this video we are going to learn about the water cycle and biosphere. We know that 2/3 part of the earth is covered with seawater. Due to heat of the sun, this water evaporates. As water vapor is lighter than air, it rises up into the atmosphere. It goes higher, it cools and condenses, forming very fine droplets of water. The droplets are so small and light that they float in the atmosphere, forming clouds. These small droplets join together and form bigger drops which are heavy. They cannot float. Such drops of water fall down on the earth in the form of rain. This rainwater flows into rills, streams, rivers and finally into the sea. These processes of evaporation, condensation and rainfall go in a continuous cycle. This is known as water cycle in the nature. So, in short, the seawater first evaporate due to the heat of the sun. Evaporation means the liquid water get converted into water vapors and they forms cloud. This cloud gets cool and that water vapor condenses. What is condensation? Condensation means water vapor get cool, that is gaseous water when cool it again get convert into liquid water, that is water droplet, and these water droplets come on the earth in the form of rain. Biosphere. There are different kinds of living things on the earth, that is plants and animals. There is great variety in the different places. Some places are very cold, while some have very hot climate. There are mountains in some places and plains in others. Some places having lot of rainfall, while others are dry deserts. There are many kinds of plants. Some plants grows in the water, some grows in the forest, that is on the land, some grows in the desert, some grows in the snowy region, that is in extremely cold region. These plants having different structure according to their surrounding. There are many kinds of animals, that is animals living in the snowy region, animals living in the grassland part, birds, insects, microorganisms, etc. All these living things, that is plants, animals and microorganisms, exist in these three spheres. Some live on the land, that is lithosphere. Some live in the water, that is hydrosphere, and some live in the air, that is atmosphere. For example, insects, birds. These all animals, plants and microorganisms interact with these three spheres. Therefore, these three spheres and the living things live in these three spheres, collectively called as biosphere.